Hi, have you encountered this error? Oops, something went wrong. Please try again later when you try to log in on your Twitter account. Here is what you could do to fix the issue. First, go to Settings by clicking the three dots on the upper right corner of the screen. Click the Settings, go to Privacy, click Cookies, and then scroll down, go to Site that can never use cookies. Add the Twitter site by typing twitter.com, add, and you can see that it is added. Now go back to twitter.com and test if it works. For me, it is already working. Now there is another way that you could solve the issue by clicking the lock icon just beside the URL bar. Select twitter.com and then remove. That should fix the issue. Now, if you have it on your iPhone or Android phone, what you need to do is clear up data. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.